F-Dubbed on his stream says, found you in one of Greta Thunberg's picture. It's actually you. Where? Who am I supposed to be?
Look closely.
I don't see it.
But why are you so small?
Where am I? Is this me?
Yeah.
I can't even tell if that's photoshopped or not. Is that a real person? Looks photoshopped. Oh, the pants are from a real person, but the top is Forsen. What is it called? Forsen Hobo. Yeah. Okay. Wow, amazing piece of art. It's real. I don't think so. No, it's Photoshop Forsen Hobo. 100%. Right? I'm pretty sure. Head 2K says, hello Mr. Force, how's the Swedish Gold Trading Union? Could you watch this 5-head video?
Hans Zimmer's score for Dunkirk starts with the sound of ticking. And that's a common theme in the legendary
The sound illusion that makes Dunkirk so intense.
Hans Zimmer's score for Dunkirk starts with the sound of ticking. And that's a common theme in the legendary composer's work. You can hear it in Interstellar,
Inception,
and in Sherlock Holmes. But in Dunkirk, the ticking makes way for an overwhelming orchestra that seems like it's rising higher and higher, but never actually does. It's so tense, it makes you cling to your seat. That is because Zimmer is taking advantage of an auditory illusion caused by something called a shepherd tone. It consists of several tones separated by an octave layered on top of each other. As the tones move up the scale, the highest pitch tone gets quieter, the middle pitch remains loud, and the lowest bass pitch starts to become audible. Because you can always hear at least two tones rising in pitch at the same time, your brain is tricked into perceiving a constant ascending tone. Loop it all together, and it sounds like a piano scale going on for infinity. When the transition between tones is continuous, it's called a shepherd risette glissando, and it can sound really spooky. This can happen in the opposite direction too. You can hear it in the endless stairs in Super Mario 64. And in Pink Floyd. It's like a barber's pole of sound, constantly seeming to rise without actually going anywhere. Put that in a soundtrack, and it creates the sound.
Wait, what movie is this?
Carries the
I'm sorry. Dunkirk. I have not seen this. Christopher Nolan. I haven't seen this. When was this? It's bad. It's boring as fuck. Two years ago. Man. When I retire, I'm gonna watch all all the movies that I missed in a row. Never leave my house. Just watch them all in a row. Gonna be good shit.
Christopher Nolan loves this illusion. You can hear it in the Batpod sound effect in the last two Dark Knight films, and in the music of The Prestige, composed by David Julian. Nolan's films are often all...
Dude. Hollywood is such a circle jerk, right? Like where the director has his favorite actors, right? and composers. Like, it's such a circle jerk. I didn't really think about it, but Nina told me, and then I thought about it, about Johnny Depp also starring in like almost every what's his name?
Tim Burton.
Tim Burton movie, right? Fucking Christian Bale with Christopher Nolan, right? And Quentin Tarantino with what's his fucking name?
Welcome to Uganda.
Leonardo, yeah, DiCaprio, and Samuel L. in a couple at least. Brad Pitt. I haven't seen the latest Leonardo Brad Pitt Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, or wait, what is it called? It's shit, but it got such good reviews, did it not? I'm pretty sure it got a lot of good reviews. I mean, you say all the cape shit is shit, right? But sometimes it's good. But I'm starting to think that you think everything is shite. But I really like Brad Pitt and Leonardo as actors.
All about time, how it warps in space, in our dreams, and in
Papa.
our memories, and there's tension that comes with that. An illusion like this makes that tension palpable. All it takes is clever sound design.
I think this is cool. It makes a lot of sense, and it doesn't fuck with your volume. You know what's annoying? When movies have a volume, right? But then the music is super loud, or the shooting is super loud, so you have to constantly turn up and turn down the volume all the time, right? That's so fucking annoying when you're watching a movie. But this counters that very good. This makes it seem like the illusion makes it seem like it's increasing in volume, but it's actually not increasing in volume. I like this concept. I
just
never
want to
thought
give a
about it.
shout out to Jason Garasio at Business Insider for doing this great interview with Christopher Nolan. In the interview, Nolan confirms that a lot of the soundtrack was built around the effect of a shepherd tone. And he also reveals that the ticking that Hans Zimmer uses at the very beginning of Dunkirk is actually a recording of a watch that Christopher Nolan owns.
Okay. Alright. I don't know what to do with that information. But speaking of information, let's go and see the daily Corona check. I don't know what you're worried about. This is less than yesterday. Like, less increase than yesterday. Wasn't it 60,000 yesterday? Only 4,000 more? And this was like at 1,312 or something? I don't know. Yeah, this jump happened yesterday. You know what's annoying? When streamers don't adjust their volumes accordingly, so you can't hear anything in videos they watch. How about raising the volume yourself in fucking Twitch browser if you're fucking deaf? Alright? How about that? Should everyone have to adjust to you and your hearing impairment? No, I don't think so. Shut your filthy mouth when you're talking to the God gamer. Bitch! Everyone had to adjust to my hearing impairment. Yes. Let's see if I install this. Alright, I can install this. 4 gigs. 4.5 gigs. China cancelled yesterday's 100 deaths. Really? How can you cancel deaths? Bring them back. Oh my god, the zombie virus. Alright.
Welcome to Uganda.
This makes a lot of sense, can I have the snooze to open my bottle?
Welcome to Uganda.
I will miss you. Mixed reviews, 335 though. Controversial game. Oh yeah, I do wanna finish.
We here in the Brotherhood of Base are a congregation with multiple opinions and experiences. We dislike everything if we are referred to as a group, even your streams. Also, Peppa, shut the fuck.
We dislike everything if we are referred to as a group, even your streams. Also, Peppa, shut the fuck up. If we are referred to as a group, but you call yourself Brotherhood of Vice, referring to yourself as a group, no? Yeah, I wanna finish. I wanna finish Plague campaign. I think I have one left, right? One or two?
Welcome to Uganda.
I think one. Nanobots. One that I haven't unlocked, and then I wanna see what multiplayer is like, because I can't even imagine. I can't even picture multiplayer in that game. How would that even work?
Welcome
So
to
we'll check it out, and then we can do some other. This little Diablo. Awful timing releasing this at the same time as Wolsen, right? Unlucky. Mobile game. Is it a mobile game? Or just assuming because of the graphics?
All right, everybody. Let's do this.
The executioner is lurking around.
Online
I won't
PvP.
sleep in hell tonight.
Of course.
Watch out. They will attack together.
Oh my god, is it Left 4 Dead? Top to down? Oh my god, it is Left 4 Dead. The charger and the tongue guy.
Attack.
Oh no, you don't.
Top down, whatever. Top off. And why does this have bad reviews? I mean, why are people really upset about
Tear
it?
it down.
We have to leave now.
Let's see. Let's see. The game itself is good, and on paper it's a good concept. Sadly, though, I cannot recommend you spend your money on this title at the moment. It may hold your attention for a few hours, but that's about it. It has very linear character progression that has zero build variety. You only unlock 3 passive skills for each character. Alright. What the fuck? Why are all the reviews good? Wait, what? Oh. Are these paid reviews? Doesn't it say when they got the game for free or something? I have currently refunded only because this is not my type of game. Not because the game is bad. Let me clear some things for you in case you're mixed between buying or not. Skillful MOBA combat mixed with survival. 0.6 hours. And he's writing a fucking review. Are you kidding me? Alright. Probably not, right? Probably not. A card game, deck building game. Ooh.
What? More of you. Damn, I'm good. Oh, hi, it's the Necronator here. Just enjoying some Necronator dead wrong in my 5,000 square foot evil lair. If you pay attention to this video, I'm going to show you how you can be as successfully evil as I am. I see you guys commenting online that Necronator Dead Wrong is nothing more than a superb game. Wrong. Sure, Necronator Dead Wrong is a surprisingly fresh and innovative blend of deck building and micro real-time strategy. But what
how is it real-time
don't
strategy?
get is that it's also knowledge. Like Einstein said, true knowledge exists in knowing that you know nothing. And I do know that you know nothing. But I will teach you how to harness the power of unspeakably evil armies of undead minions. Stop being totally benign and start conquering the world and being majorly evil like me.
Is this like
You're going to
a...
learn so
like a Slay the Spire, but with like Castle Wars style, where you summon units, kinda? Because you are the units, you're not the
Forsen,
tower
I
defense.
want to help
so much about
you
being
have a
super
successful Valentine's Day. Mina told me everything this morning. I sent extra
All right.
small condoms and some Viagra pills to help with your drug PP problem.
Thank you very much, Oppressed Notebook. I do appreciate that. It looks like you are the units,
Necronator Dead Wrong,
summoning the
and
units.
It's all completely 100% free. Oh, they do have to buy it. Now you see, I was thinking ads, just all through it. That's fairly evil, isn't it? No, we're not doing that. All right, okay, right, got it.
Right, props for created trailer.
Necronator Dead Wrong, coming February 13th.
Yeah, I don't mind trying this.
Right? Was I too evil? Am I saying there's such a thing as too evil? That's like saying there's such a thing as too wealthy or too powerful.
Welcome to Uganda.
Let me ask you a question. How many people do you think go to waste after they die? 10%? 15% maybe. It's 100%. The dead are thoughtlessly...
You can beat it in 1 hour. How much content did Slay the Spire have when it just came out? I forgot. It was also very, very short, right? 2 characters, yeah. 2 characters, but you could beat the game in like in 1 run and be done with the game, right? Although you had to unlock cards at the time. Yeah. VR only. Alright, nothing too interesting. Nothing too interesting on the new front, but someone suggested the coin game, and I do want to finish the Plague. I think I have 2 remaining. I'm not sure. I think so. Synthetic, thank you for 2 years, man. Enjoying the badge, man. Lethal, T, Lars, NMS, main event, Disco Record, Johnny T, Satra, and motherfucking Yezaza. Tier 3, 16 months. I have a small penis, so I'm alone on Valentine's Day. Forsen Feels. Well, not alone anymore. With tier 3 comes tier 3 privileges. Check your Snapchat, my friend. Thank you very much, man. Alright. Bada bing, bada boom.